Welcome, bienvenidos to Pennington Publishing, your source for assessment-based English language arts and response to intervention reading instruction featuring Common Core aligned curriculum written by teachers for teachers.
Training Module 4, Language Application Lessons, Language Standard 3. Pennington Publishing's Teaching the Language Strand provides comprehensive programs for grades 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Each grade-level program includes 56 language application openers. The 56 language application openers address the Common Core Knowledge of Language 3.0 standards. These twice-per-week 5-minute lessons help students apply the language conventions standards 1 and 2 in the reading, writing, speaking, and listening contexts. Students learn how to vary grammatical constructions and sentence patterns, how to combine sentences, and how to use concise word choices to communicate effectively. Teachers display the PDF version of the language application lesson found in the teacher's guide. The student workbook provides the text of the lesson, a section for key ideas, and the language application revision task. The workbook also serves as a ready-made study guide for unit tests. Let's practice a sample language application lesson to get comfortable with the instructional procedures. Ask students to open their workbooks to the language application lesson and to read the lesson focus quietly as you read it out loud. Tell students that they will summarize the key idea or ideas of the language application task on the lines provided in the second column. Give hints about the key idea or ideas before you read the lesson focus. The hints help students establish a purpose for their reading and build comprehension. Reread the lesson focus and highlight or underline the key points of the text on the board or display. Direct students to do the same in their workbooks as you are doing. Read the examples. There are 3 students who work for the company. This sentence can be better revised as, 3 students work for the company. Ask students to explain how each example relates to the language application task. For example, the first sentence begins with there and follows with a to-be verb, are. The revision begins with a sentence subject. Tell students to summarize the key idea of the language application task on the lines provided in the second column. Allow time for students to complete. Read the revision task and clarify directions as needed. Revise this sentence by deleting the unnecessary words. There was the boy who was making all the noise over in the corner. Direct students to write a sentence revision in their workbooks. You will need to turn off the projector or make sure not to scroll down to the answer while students complete their sentence revisions. Allow some time for students to revise. When students have finished, turn on the projector to display the language application revision. Read the revision out loud. The boy who was making all the noise was over in the corner. Ask why or how the revision accomplishes the revision task. Award credit to students who have the same answer as that on the display. Call on students to share any revisions which differ from that of the display. Tell students how to credit their answers. Note that students certainly may have revisions which are just as good as that on the display. Continue calling on students until all possible revisions have been shared, but remind students not to repeat answers.